If you love coffee, you know the magic starts with the right brewing method. And nothing delivers rich, bold flavor quite like a French press. For me, French press coffee is the turning point. It transformed my morning routine from average to extraordinary. Unlike drip machines, a French press is simple, elegant, and sustainable. No paper filters, no waste. Just pure coffee goodness. So today let's explore the 8 best French presses, tried, tested, and ranked. These picks will help you brew robust coffee every single time. First up, the Espro P3 French Press. This is the ultimate game changer. Most French presses leave behind a gritty finish at the bottom of your cup, but Espro solves that with not one, but 2 filters. The dual filter system eliminates sludge while keeping flavor intact. That means a clean, bright, and richer cup every morning. Its borosilicate glass carafe is ultra tough, built to last. I even dropped it during testing, not a scratch. For under $40, the Espro P3 delivers unbeatable value. Clean coffee, durable design, and dishwasher-safe parts. Now, if you want to brew multiple cups, meet the Yeti Rambler French Press. This one is built for coffee lovers who drink more than 1 mug. Available in 34 and 64-ounce sizes, the Rambler is massive. Enough to keep you caffeinated through the morning and beyond. With double-wall vacuum insulation, it keeps coffee hot for hours. Durable stainless steel, ceramic interior, and Yeti's trademark rugged build. The grounds control filter ensures a smooth brew, and its twist-to-lock lid makes pouring secure and mess-free. Yes, it's pricey, starting around $100. But this is an investment that will outlast most coffee gear in your kitchen. For easy cleanup, the OXO 8-cup French press stands out. Its clever grounds lifter scoop makes removing coffee grounds effortless. No more messy scraping at the bottom of the carafe. Just lift, dump, and rinse. It may not retain heat as well as pricier models, but the convenience of cleanup is unmatched. If you're on a budget, the Bodum Brazil French press is a classic. Simple, affordable, and available in sizes as small as 12 ounces. This was my first French press years ago, and it's still a reliable entry point for anyone curious about brewing. At just around $20, it's hard to go wrong. You'll get solid performance without breaking the bank. Next, the Stanley Classic Stay Hot French Press, a rugged choice with a 48-ounce capacity. It has the signature Stanley look that pairs perfectly with their viral tumblers. And it makes a solid, grit-free brew. While it doesn't hold heat quite as well as Yeti or Espro, it's a more affordable option if you want size without the steep price tag. For those who love sleek design, the fellow Clara French press is a showstopper. Matte black stainless steel with walnut accents, it's stunning. Performance matches the looks too. Built-in markers for water and grounds make brewing foolproof. It also retains heat impressively well. But at around $100 for just 24 ounces, it's more of a luxury pick. Now, if you want Espro's premium build, consider the Espro P7. Think of it as the P3's glamorous big sibling, double-wall stainless steel, stunning finishes, and elite temperature retention. Same dual filters, same clean taste, but triple the price. For some, that stainless steel durability is worth every penny. For others, the P3 offers nearly the same coffee experience for far less. Finally, the Hydro Flask Insulated French Press. Affordable, functional, and dependable. It keeps coffee hot for hours and offers a solid 32-ounce size. Its filter is more traditional, so expect a little grit at the bottom. Still, for under $70, it's a smart, budget-friendly insulated option, especially if you love Hydro Flask's signature style. So which French press should you choose? If you want the cleanest coffee, go for the Espro P3. If you need big capacity and heat retention, Yeti Rambler is king. For design lovers, the fellow Clara is irresistible. And if you just want a starter French press without overspending, the Bodum Brazil is your perfect match. Brewing with a French press is simple but powerful. Just coarse grounds, hot water, and a few minutes of patience. The result? A bold, aromatic cup of coffee. The kind that makes mornings worth waking up for. Now it's your turn. Upgrade your coffee ritual with one of these tested French presses. Check the affiliate links in the description below to grab your favorite. Hurry, though. Prices and deals may change at any time. Start brewing better coffee today. Your mornings will never be the same again.